Another Malawi ka nas di kontin baro anya lingwa sama an wala shang ka jandang ro ka payen waro dien ron kina dang ro widi jandang ro widi dia bana report me bana jo linkel report me ko right in bana ro che ka kui Dr. Machar shang loge dan e shaluk shadi lukaje bana jo linkel gwasame a very important report Ramadan lanen ka kimanda Ramadan shatich kanende ka rege dan shitok ray which kanasser gwase dan chinero wa am shiginyin ke dine SSPDF te karamishro chi mishikon link ka kor gwaten paiwa ka nyure shina nyur ga Japan ajen bana lingone chala no en ramkel mishatich ajene shatik de chaja ken neten content ray which kanasser alanwer wa am ban jekul lingono kan ga tik dedi no ngay kon diale Dr. Machar te retijian kel ken je kwara dang baro kan dang badangot ken retijian gwan mo lokakatin ka juba ka freedom mall ramkel michikan gwas kore dana chitwo ka military garrison ka wiyara diu ka nasser charach ka shan ka bakel ka joke ka friday ka taye dana shiliya chitwo gaje chala dun gwade nak masnikatin kine tila dineka wada chikurja toktin mechi kuma SSPDF kana kuma SPLIO kanwer wa ami koini macha goin ken wokan ishikan dini SSPDF ishikan kama ka chikan kanak ci jaram danan chinnen chi lat gwasa me ka jowo dan ci lat no jen bana kulingo men dana ci lat gwada men jen bukon lingo an wudamo che chong niamnat chermanan linkone che chong niamnat ke special court hearing ka freedom all de wike juba en lugamo luga jandang jok with the jok dien which kasa Sudan look Dr. Machar amdan la first vice president shajo la no gwade dana shukor meche toktin meche nwer wai army Kana Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, Mechika South Sudan People Defense Force, KSSPDF Garrison, Mechajadak Kapaidiok, Runkindangro Jandangro Didich. Kamalat ke dul kana mokire logomone shaman shalka cross examination chajalat. Sharam dan la ran persecution witness, Chadwobe dan Jikolcha Tuogaje, chajalat kane rekonde la prosecution team ne rekono going ke Dr. Riek Machar no defense Anthony Regina Akriaudeng Mila Ramadan la ran first by president Dr. Machar no chetich ke che udeme milane no ke prosecution team che jetich no Ramadan ti ke gwase me wunmi la lieutenant Mishali Mohamed Ahmed Jidu Ajaraman Wandien ka prosecution witness amedani chicken a survivor kan e dialde konte chi reka jekre which kanasser ajen je testify ke jalat jalado ne ajen deni jandang ro with baro chakanak kasha deni dang bakel chaka evacuate ke chakana ji UN helicopter ka jen changa baro ka pay diok meche kod meche tuok ajen chu dekel kaka show lure renyal re aircraft ka sham chela do nena ajani dini dang baro tike kel ke me general David Majudak military armor ki gwade dane chaga gagretin ala APC personal carrier meji kon meji talk ajani che David Majudak cherodo to re torbiel mone no chela do nena ajane ne dang jokokien atigre torpiel ka jen michal military armor personal carrier KPC kanasser garrison kolela wiyara diu ne dang jok tigre torbielten kane dang barotin konen tekel ke David Majuda sha jetich en Ahmed ka taye dane ci din dang jok with jok no te liep ke UN helicopter ko de kanang re wiki juba taye dane chukur ka jegeje che jomo che jelat jelada wonena ne tin kontin chewe ke tin chiken kane dang bakel korodien jenen ne to ko kin gandial chayi kin chaga bat ngwadi dan chukur che tokten cha nyo committee ke jagwa a defense lawyer jidu cha jeti ke do be dane ci korche togoje no kala da jeno ne te kon te togo kor jene Dr. Machar ku ga daragoni no ke che ke brief ke qui military briefing la lat ke ku dong bu kor ba togo de no ka tay dane che Dr. Machar che goenge jeno jente Dr. Machar te ke tetten ke te ke ngach a cha ti chen wone na met Dr. Machar te tin ke che coordinate entire dane bu kor ba togo je te ke video ki te ke audio mnyode mit Dr. Machar che rach kan ne ko na nwer wai ami ki kum SPLIO ki de neken no jeni tele audio jan tele audio a chu jiddu cha code jogo no na jeni an jege information ke military source kana family members ejen go dana jege audio tin no Dr. Machar che rach kana ka tiaga long mi Dr. Machar mi rach kana ko la rach kana ke form ndien no jen goin men ya me she goin gaje ngure shal ke mejidu ko chala no Riek Machar che right kana de ne nor wa ami eno dake military garrison mi chaje no telejengu tele evident ba chala do ne jeni information jege ke military ke de ne SPDF kana ne din kondela family members no chinede kon la judge James Alala chikan jidu le tej bone ano an plan shalat meeting kam SPLIO commander kenen norway army ano to gwadadien jinti weten jidu shela do no kanuten jena kana aten tel meeting mishe munuten jege information ke leo military intelligence jena kana we ko medan check lemano ishi kum SPLIO commanders ishi ga right ke chika dol ke norway army ka taydan chikana gwangeje ko bu koroma bokola to ajani teleje kan wutanen wana man ramadien michel ater bol pil jarama dien ka persecution witness ne rekona gwanke Dr. Machar ka jen bo survivor bo no chela do ne jeni Nasir Gadis on ma ka je ka ta baro ka run wangalong ka changa dioka pay diok ajani kuma SPLIO kenen werwa ami bot ka ke kol na torgeletwan jom cha jalat ajani chune nyin ka chune ka jojok ajani chine torgele chine nak re kormo ko jaram dana non kor no ka jala kwer nwer wayami mo ci piol cha jom cha jalat ci piol bo cha nyola no dobe dane to kor ka je kam to kor ka je mo ka tabaro am ka changa joka pay jok Michelada no jiku SPLIO kan nwer wa ami kan de contin makake yelado ne tiken communication no ashiga de communication ko de kan rodian bar na ko runwang mi ko mi chetogone but janni ta dan ko janne kan cha ka rodo longwa dan ci ko chetoktin you can go no kan de ko rodian bar which kan Nasir Garrison do jana mi chiko wajen kamo jana kan shako ambush wade dane kan barko rudin tin ko cha jogono ngum kan yerun barka jamon e waji anda chana chako kada dop na tana chiko ka chiko gare yire tana chiko ka rar lo ngoy kana dino cha tana chako ambushin minimi jana de ni wan kan cha kanak da domi jene wono no de ne ro da barka wi yir no do not turn out quick and kan pangin in the SPDF ci piol ci la dene karun wang bakelung chwane ambush na ka shu kane diale kone shi dot kan wayam shu kan na kan dial ka report shi no ngwad mane jene mi shirano bararode bajo jekke bajenak jene she baje lon kan ka tanda quick and kit year jen je testified no ne tik deram dana kana jene ramkel ka SPLIO mi shengich ke che recognize karama mom she recognize arami mom cha gade no cheje ken gwani mo cheje tweet dio jam don kwa dul walki wena dien ka jawran chela jagwasme ajene jen chwe kulongi ano ajene jen ramadan en weekend ka weka ajene mo don kan gade bo kan tweet ne ke kan ya leka gwa dong de nak duno shew ngich aram mo general SPLIO fighters mi shew recognize gwase dan e chirike toktan jen shew ngich ci pil chela do nena ajani 10 South Sudanese People Defense Force soldier ke Captain Den Kel mi shale malong chwakan dial chwakanak la ne dangwel kan ni nakaka gwada dan me kan kutken karen yal ka UN helicopter dan e shiwere which kan nasir ka chang bakal ka pai dok chela dano shirek mai to no ne dangwel chwakanak gwada dan e chikor chetokten ka kuje mo shikume ki ne de kon lat ka look shu kan yo kap jok no baje lo jek ne ka jelat changa nyandang ro ide ro ka pai waro ron kin dang ro ide jandang ro ide dich defense lawyer kwa ka gujo dang bu kan cross examination bu kan yo omlet kana karam de la prosecution witness keram dan la nen no ka jo dan chalat Dr. Machar kan ne ka dang baro diale content cha yen kel ngot kan reti jen che de ngai kona ka kan kaniten kontin kwala gwany ke la ten woken etiken ka duiri kan kalat gwas me beje kwen ya ka tok English ka dob dan chagor ka jet ko gori no better understanding. Survivor of the attack on the military garrison in Nasser testified on Friday about the alleged killing of their colleague by the Nuevo Army fighter and SPLIO forces in March this year. The witnesses appear before the special court at Freedom Hall in Juba. During its 33 session, they recounted how the fight from the militia known as the Nuevo Army and from the Sudan People Liberation Army in a position overran the South Sudan People's Defense Force SSPDF garrison in March. The cross-examination of a prosecution witness was led by Defense Attorney Regina Akeriaudeng, who represents suspended First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. First Lieutenant Mohamed Ahmed Jedu, the first prosecution witness and survivor, testified that 27 soldiers were killed and 6 were evacuated by a UN helicopter on March 7. He said 1 soldier died aboard the aircraft. Ahmed says 7 soldiers were with Major General David Majur Dak in military armor personnel carrier, while the rest were in 3 other armor personnel carrier at the garrison. Under questioning, Ahmed stated that 33 soldiers were waiting to board the UN helicopter for evacuation when they came under fire. Mohammed says 6 were able to board while the others were killed. Under questioning from defense lawyer, Jedu say he was informed an evaluation of the incident would be conducted by Dr. Machar based on military briefing. He denied having audio evidence of conversation between Machar and local official in Nasser. I don't have an audio, he said, Jedu told the court. I got the information through military sources and family members. Judge James Alala later questioned Jedu about alleged planning meeting between SPLIO commanders and Nuevo Army fighters. Jedu denied attending any such meeting, saying, I got the information from military intelligence. Arthur Bull Pule, the 5th prosecution witness and also a survivor, stated that the garrison was attacked at 7 a.m. on March 3rd by SPLIO and Nuevo Army forces led by Colonel Torgile Tuan. We fought and repelled them and killed Torgile Tuan, who led the attack as leader of the Nuevo Army, Pule said. Pule recounted how the main assault on the Nasser garrison began at 7 a.m. on March 3rd, led by SPLIO and Nuevo Army forces. He described communication breakdown and desperate escape attempt through bushland and across the river where many soldiers were ambushed. He said they tried to cross a river but some could not swim. Pule said, in the morning we were ambushed, they killed everyone and left me alone. He testified that his life was spared when one of the SPLIO fighters recognized him as having previously treated the fighter child. Pule testified that 10 South Sudan People Defense Force soldiers, including a captain identified as Malong, were killed while trying to board a UN helicopter on March 6, 2025. The court adjourned it until Monday, December 2022. when defense lawyers are expected to cross-examine the fifth prosecution witness. Dr. Machar 73H and 7 associated face charges, including murder, treason, and crime against humanity. The charges stem from a March 2025 attack by the White Army militia allegedly linked to Machar. Prosecutors say the attack resulted in the deaths of Army Commander David Majudak and more than 250 soldiers and members of a UN mission helicopter crew, and destruction or seizure of military equipment valued at estimated $58 million. Also named in the case are Port Kang Chol 40, Mampal Doors, 37 Gadwi Lampoch, 66 Lieutenant General Gabriel Duob Lam, 53, Camille Gan Michael 47, Mading Yakrik 45, and Dominic Gokrik 27. So report major report chano kan kata dan en chalu chai lukaja ke siang bu bano ana ke jelat bana luk do dien bana nyok milien kona ani biata ka mal ban jigale rodien. Bye bye.